Entrepreneurship has emerged as a pivotal force in the global economy, driving innovation, creating jobs, and fostering economic growth. Entrepreneurs, the individuals behind these ventures, are the visionaries who identify opportunities, take risks, and transform ideas into reality. This comprehensive overview delves into the multifaceted world of entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs, exploring the characteristics of entrepreneurship, the dual nature of entrepreneurship as both an art and a science, the qualities of successful entrepreneurs, the various types of entrepreneurs, their roles and functions, the motivations that drive them, and the phenomenon of startups. Entrepreneurship is characterized by several key attributes that distinguish it from other forms of business activity. Innovation. At the heart of entrepreneurship lies innovation. Entrepreneurs are often the pioneers of new products, services, or processes that disrupt existing markets and create new ones. Risk-taking. Entrepreneurs accept the inherent risks involved in starting and running a business. This willingness to embrace uncertainty is a defining trait. Proactivity. Entrepreneurs are proactive, constantly seeking new opportunities and acting on them before their competitors. Resourcefulness. Effective entrepreneurs make the most of limited resources, finding creative solutions to overcome obstacles. Vision and leadership. Successful entrepreneurs possess a clear vision of what they want to achieve and the leadership skills to inspire and guide their teams toward that vision. Entrepreneurship is both an art and a science. As an art, it requires creativity, intuition, and the ability to envision what does not yet exist. This artistic aspect is seen in how entrepreneurs conceptualize unique ideas and strategies, often relying on their instincts and experiences. Conversely, entrepreneurship is also a science grounded in systematic approaches, data analysis, and strategic planning. Entrepreneurs must understand market dynamics, financial management, and operational efficiencies. Balancing these artistic and scientific elements is crucial for entrepreneurial success. Successful entrepreneurs share several key qualities. Passion. Deep enthusiasm for their business drives entrepreneurs to persevere through challenges. Resilience. The ability to recover from setbacks and keep moving forward is essential. Adaptability. Entrepreneurs must be flexible and able to pivot in response to changing market conditions. Decisiveness. Making quick, well-informed decisions is a critical skill. Networking ability. Building and maintaining a network of contacts is vital for access to resources, advice, and opportunities. Entrepreneurs can be categorized based on the nature of their ventures. Service entrepreneurs focus on providing services rather than products. Business entrepreneurs engage in commercial activities with the primary goal of profit-making. Industrial entrepreneurs involved in manufacturing or production of goods. Agricultural entrepreneurs operate in the agricultural sector, utilizing innovative farming techniques or agribusiness models. Technical entrepreneurs leverage technical skills and knowledge to develop new technologies or tech-based businesses. Non-technical entrepreneurs operate businesses that do not rely heavily on technical expertise. Professional entrepreneurs use their professional expertise, example legal, medical, to create business ventures. IT entrepreneurs specialize in information technology and related fields. Women entrepreneurs, women who create and manage businesses, often overcoming unique challenges. Social entrepreneurs aim to solve social problems through innovative solutions, prioritizing social impact over profit. Family business entrepreneurs continue and expand family-owned businesses. First-generation entrepreneurs, self-made entrepreneurs who start businesses without a family business background. Entrepreneurs perform various roles and functions essential for the success of their ventures. Opportunity identification, spotting and seizing new business opportunities. Resource mobilization, securing financial, human, and material resources. Risk management, assessing and mitigating business risks. Decision making, making strategic and operational decisions. Innovation, continuously improving products, services, and processes. Leadership, leading and motivating their teams. Networking, building relationships with stakeholders, investors, and customers. Entrepreneurs are driven by a variety of motivations. Independence, desire for autonomy and control over their work. Financial gain, potential for significant financial rewards. Achievement, personal satisfaction from creating and growing a successful business. Social impact, passion for addressing social issues and making a positive difference. Recognition, desire for recognition and prestige within their industry or community. Startups are a unique subset of entrepreneurship characterized by their focus on innovation and rapid growth. These ventures often begin as small, agile companies with limited resources but significant potential for disruption. Startups typically follow a high-risk, high-reward model with the aim of scaling quickly and achieving market dominance. The startup ecosystem includes various stakeholders such as incubators, accelerators, venture capitalists, and angel investors, all of whom play crucial roles in nurturing and supporting new ventures. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic and multifaceted domain that combines creativity, risk-taking, and strategic planning. Entrepreneurs, with their diverse qualities and motivations, drive innovation and economic growth across various sectors. Understanding the characteristics, roles, and types of entrepreneurs, as well as the unique aspects of startups, provides a comprehensive insight into this vital field. As entrepreneurship continues to evolve, it remains a cornerstone of progress and prosperity in the modern world.